One big family. That all stupid stars, they're not going to make it. They're not going to do this. They're not going to do that. And I said, you know what? Give them the love, put them together. Everybody wants to win, and what did we do today? I need our win. All I want to say, when Paul put this team together in January, we knew that we had a championship team. Each player that I spoke to, I said to you guys, why don't you come here? We got to play for a championship. That was our goal. You guys remember, right? I said we have one goal. That's to win a championship.
Yo, what you gotta say tonight, man? What you gotta say tonight after that?
Tonight? Shit, that was an ugly win. But you know what? It showed character. We knew what we had to do, and come fourth quarter, we just needed to get that lead and keep it. You know what? It's been a long season for me, and I'm ready to go relax at this point. Job is done.
The legend, he didn't come to play, he came to dominate. Guys, no interview tonight, guys. We just... Bro, what you gotta say, bro?
Oh yeah, what?
Hey, man.
What does Tigersharks at?
Ain't nothing to say, man. Let's party. Let's have fun. Been a long season. Jeez. You know what I'm saying? But it's been a hell of a season, man. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of things we've gone through, but I'm proud, bro. We won. We can't be accomplished what we need to accomplish. Hey, man, 2023 be your chance, bro. Let's do it.
Bless, bro. Bro, come on, bro.
Nigga, I'm changing. Yo, State Venice Hurricanes, you know the vibes.
What's up, bro?
Good, it's the third shit. This is my third thing. Oh, third championship. Yeah, thanks one, bro. Thanks one.
Yo, who we got over here, man? Who we got over here? What's up, man? Talk to me. What you got to say?
Coupe! It's a real feeling. Ooh, nice one. I never won like a championship before. I've gotten a conference one, but never like you're the best in the country type stuff. So.
One big family. Me a beg your father, God, please watch over we. One team, one big family. Hurricanes and them this now. I feel with team and we never sell out. One team, one dream, one plan. A Hurricanes we fi be the champion. Stay up on the top, stay the number one. And we love in the energy, have to pick up the fans. Loyalty are where we know about. Hard work, dedication, no doubt. The evident, the talent just a pour out. Straight traffic go revive by your door mouth. One team, one big family, yeah. Me a beg your father, God, please watch over we. One team, one big family, yeah. A Hurricanes and them this now. I feel with team and we never sell out. It's a dream come true, so we living it up. See the game when we play, never giving it up. Hurricanes are the name and we put in the work. We trust the process, dog, and never no luck. We love the game, love the people. In it to win it, you know, say that we do. Tell you big up the fans, them are the reason. With God work plus hard work, what a season. One team, one big family, yeah. Me a beg your father, God, please watch over we. One team, one big family, yeah. A Hurricanes and them this now. I feel with team and we never sell out.